Well, today, the 28th of June 2024, I'm here in the United Nations in Geneva to attend the 56th session of the United Nations Human Rights Council, and I shall be attending one of the item number 3, agenda item number 3, where I will be giving my interventions on the ongoing conflict and human rights situations in Manipur and Northeast India. Well, it will be my tentative schedule is likely to be on 2nd of June. Well, before that, while I have been preparing here for my participations, I have been meeting with several officials and mandated special rapporteurs of different agendas and different forums, and I shall be continuing in that exercise to meet more people, to let the people know that the ongoing grim human rights situations in Manipur. Well, today I want to issue some of the opinions regarding the present development that had happened in my state and in the Parliament of the Indian state. It has come to our notice that the first session of the newly formed government in the Indian Parliament has begun, and in the opening day of the session, while the keynote was being delivered by the Honorable President of India, it was very unfortunate that the President of India has even failed to acknowledge the ongoing one-year-long grim crisis, unfortunate crisis that has been happening in the state of Manipur. It is very unfortunate that the President of India's attitude towards the people of Manipur is disheartening. 1 year of irresponsible handling and insincere attitude of governance, not able to secure the lives and people and its property of the people of Manipur by the government of India is very unfortunate. And if such things continues in future, I think people have already started losing faith to the government of India. The government of India seems to be discreetly furthering some of its agenda, and the people of Manipur, particularly the indigenous people, have been held hostages as to further their agenda, which is very unfortunate. And we strongly condemn the attitude of the government of India, and the people of Manipur has now started losing faith on its dispensation. It's been almost 1 year that the people of Manipur is being deprived of its basic human rights, from free access to any part of the world, to move in any part of the state, to get back to their displaced home, to return to their own locality. And several, almost 3.5 million population of the states being completely kept under ransom, under hostages situation by the armed Chinkuki narco-terrorist groups, who are being, given certain legal impunities by the government of India under the behest of a very discreet, a very deceitful agreement like the suspensions of operation. And such attitude of the government of India towards the people of Manipur has made the people to decide and to think over as to how the government of India is going to save its people. And we couldn't rely on the government anymore, and it is high time that the people should start looking for other options as to who can save the people of Manipur, who can secure the human rights of the people of Manipur. And during my stay in Geneva, representing the people of Manipur, I shall be starting exploring avenues where we will be appealing the international community who stands for the human rights of indigenous people, and who stands for the human rights of the larger human society. Therefore, as the government of India's attitude for almost 1 year has failed to address and resolve the crisis with a sincere approach, we as the people have started losing faith to the Indian states, administration we will appeal for a third-party interventions so that the discussion with the government of India to resolve this crisis become more rational and transparent in approach.